The San Juan Knights are only one win away from claiming the MPBL Datu Cup National Championship, while in the PBA, the semifinals of the 2019 PBA Philippine Cup is still a toss-up between four teams, including the defending champions San Miguel Beermen. Joining us today to talk about local hoops, we have basketball legends Jerry Codinera and Alan Kaidik. Welcome back to work, gentlemen.
Hello, happy Easter.
Yeah, tapos na ang Holy Week break. It's
Yes.
back to work, back to talking about basketball, and simulan natin with the MPBL Datu Cup National Championship. San Juan leading the series over Davao Occidental 2-1. And Alan and Jerry, you want to focus on a couple of players na sa tingin nyo very instrumental ang kanilang ginagawa for their team. So, Coach Alan, I'll start with you for the leading team in the series, San Juan. You feel na Mac Cardona is someone that we should focus on. How come?
Well, because of his experience sa PBA, he's been through a lot of championships before, and you can see his leadership. Parang siya ang heart and soul ng San Juan eh. So, pag maganda ang pinakita niya, na-electrify niya yung crowd, and kitang-kita mo naman sa, lalo na nung home game nila, you can see the crowd is really cheering for them. Kaya kailangan maging maganda ang laro ni Macmac for them to win it all the way.
Macmac seems to be a type of player, Jerry, na pag yung home team, home crowd, parang bagay na bagay yung Macmac doon, ano?
Yes, correct. With his experience nga, and also yung he's been through a lot of mga knockout games na rin, championship experience. And also with Wilson. Hindi ko
Okay,
na-
John Wilson naman for you,
With,
para sa San Juan, is someone that you want to focus on, Coach Jerry. Bakit?
Well, he can play both defense, offense. Sa PBA na napansin ko may mga situations na nakakadepensa siya. And now, tumutulong rin siya sa offensive. So, ganon. And babalik sa San Juan ng ang fourth game. So, medyo delikado at a disadvantage yung Davao dito.
Okay, speaking of Davao Occidental, Coach Alan, babalik tayo to a player na matindi din ang experience, no, in professional basketball, and that's Mark Yee. Now, why is Mark Yee very instrumental for Davao Occidental?
Kung si Macmac sa San Juan, siya ang heart and soul ng Davao. Silent operator, pero very effective. You can see his stats throughout the elimination, and until now sa playoffs nila, makikita mo na he's the leader of the team. Yung leadership niya, nara-rub off niya sa mga teammates niya. And this is an important game for them. Sabi nga ni Jerry, kailangan manalo sila ngayon to extend the series at saka makuha nila uli yung home court advantage.
What can you say about Mark Yee, Coach Jerry?
Ako, Nico, nakalaban ko to sa laro labas. Nakita ko siya sa mag-develop from PBL days, tapos hanggang Liga Pilipinas. Talagang he is a very smart rebounder. He can shoot, he can go one-on-one. He can be a complementary player sa mga kasama niya to make them better. Nagsasacrifice siya eh. Kahit na bababa lang output niya, basta steady siya sa rebounding, blocking, sa rotation, yun ang marami siyang nagagawa para sa Davao team.
All right, let's shift from the MPBL Datu Cup National Finals over to the PBA Philippine Cup Semifinals. Let's go to that physical series, no? San Miguel against Phoenix. San Miguel leads that series 2-1. Now, pagdating sa San Miguel, Coach Alan, syempre, it all starts and ends with Junmar Fajardo.
Yeah, that's true. Siya talagang target dyan ng kalaban every time. So, kailangan makapag-deliver siya consistently para sa manalo sila dito sa series na to. Kasi at the same time, he should be aware na pag dinoble siya, maraming ma-open dahil alam mo naman ng San Miguel, napaka-deep bench nila. Yung Romeo nandyan, Lassiter, Cabagnot, you name it, Arvin Santos, Chris Ross. Kaya anyone can hit it from the outside. Kaya medyo may dilemma yung kalaban, yung Phoenix, because of yung strength ni Junmar's inside. Andiyan pa si Stan Hardinger, di ba? So,
Pero ang kailangan naman problemahin ng San Miguel is how to contain Calvin Abueva.
yes, I
Correct,
agree.
yes. Well, pagdating kay Junmar talaga, you have to find a way to stop him. Game yan, finals yan. Parang you're giving it away pagka hindi mo ini-stop. Or contain. Contain mo. Limit naman doon sa output niya at least 5 points. And likewise, si Abueva, siguro he has to double his efforts. Damihan pa niya yung output niya para makasabay.
I think you'd be happy na hindi ka na naglalaro dahil siguro sasakit ang ulo mo as a center dito kay
mahirap.
Calvin Abueva, no?
Oo, ano lang. Pero yung Junmar, mas mahirap. Malaki yun eh. Mas malaki, mas smart. He has so many moves in sa post at mas malapit sa basket.
Alright, let's shift to the other series. Rain or Shine leading Magnolia 2-1 in the semifinals. And, you know, Coach Alan, Rain or Shine is banking on, already a legend, no, in James Yap. And he's still going at it, still going strong at this point of his career.
Yeah, he has to step up, especially now that they're down. Kasi ang strength ng Magnolia is yung guard base. So, kailangan nilang mapantayan yun eh. Good thing about Rain or Shine is mga bata yung kasama ni James na magko-complement sa kanya. Andyan sina Mocon, sina the lefty, yung galing sa Letran, ng Batak, and si Dakiwag. So, talagang dapat ipakita ni James yung leadership niya, yung experience niya sa semis, yung sa nag-champion siya, ma-rub off niya doon sa mga batang players.
Well, speaking of mga batang players, Coach Jerry, I'm not shocked na ang pinili mo si Gio Halalon as the key player for Magnolia. Now, ano naman ang papel ni Gio in Magnolia's attempt to win this series?
Well, as a guard, he has to set the tempo of his energy para yun nga, mag-grab off, magtuloy-tuloy, and he has to continue leading his team, orchestrate, he has to distribute the ball well, and he has to be there. Kung ano yung kulang ng team, he has to provide.
Paul Lee naman is another very
Yeah.
talented guard for Magnolia.
Si Paul kasi makikita mo sa kanya yung yung hindi natatakot pag crunch time. You can see he will win it for you talaga. Talagang buo ang loob, and I think malaking factor yon na maging maganda ang laro niya for them to win the series.
And last but not the least, our teammate here on the score, Big Bo Belga. Gusto mo tutukan ang ginagawa ni Bo, Jerry, sa semifinals?
Oo naman, syempre, with this experience, kailangan niya yun. Andun, iba pa rin yung experience. Subok na si Bo eh. And he has to really push also Almasan, yung body niya, sa baka mag-ibang
Kailangan pagbutihin talaga ni Bo kasi kung hindi kasama na natin ulit dito yan.
Pag-uusapan natin bakit hindi siya umabot ng finals. So that's our analysis of the MPBL National Finals as well as the PBA Philippine Cup Finals. Now we'll just take a short break. We still have Coach Jerry and Coach Alan, and this time when we return, they will tackle the ongoing NBA playoffs, so stay with us.